There is something about soursop that feels like the tropics in a glass. Today, I'm making a simple soursop juice. No milk, just fresh fruit, water, a squeeze of lime for that extra brightness, and patience. Hi, I'm Forsi. Growing up in the Caribbean, soursop wasn't something fancy. It was a fruit you picked, peeled, ate, or made into juice and enjoyed. Soursop could be made in different ways, sometimes rich and creamy with milk, but other times, especially on a hot day, it was made lighter, more refreshing, more natural. And that's the version I'm making today using a blender. It's naturally sweet with a slight tang, served chilled over ice. Simple, fresh, Caribbean. And this is Storytime and Cooking with Forsi, a story you can taste.